Hey guys, welcome back. If you are looking for the best hose reels, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we have included options for every type of customer. To know more about these products, please be sure to check out the description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Giraffe Tools Retractable Garden Hose Reel. The Giraffe Tools Retractable Hose Reel is an excellent space-saving solution for storing and accessing a hose with ease. This wall-mounted reel is installed on the side of a house, and its retractable design allows users to pull and lock the exact amount of hose needed for watering tasks. During the warmest months of the year, this reel was used daily to water landscaping around the yard, making it convenient to move around without dragging an entire hose. The product includes a 130-foot hose, a hose nozzle, and a 5-foot leader hose for connecting to the spigot, making it a great option for new homeowners. While the hose pulls out smoothly, there is a slight learning curve to locking it in place. Installation can be challenging, particularly with unclear instructions and the need for specific hardware to attach it to a concrete wall. Additionally, the hose may leak if not tightly connected to the spigot, but once properly installed and secured, no further issues were encountered. Number 2. Gorilla Mobile Hose Reel. The Gorilla aluminum hose reel is an ideal choice for anyone seeking a high-quality hose reel to store and transport garden hoses up to 200 feet. After testing 30 different garden hose reels of various shapes and styles, this product stands out for its durability and thoughtful design. Featuring 2 wheels and 2 legs, it remains stable on the ground when stationary and is easy to roll when needed. Assembling the reel is straightforward, though the screws may require some extra effort. The aluminum frame feels sturdy and well constructed, ensuring long-lasting use. The rubber wheels are flat-free, making them low maintenance and easy to maneuver across different surfaces. Additionally, the rubber grips on the handle provide comfort and ease of steering. A testing team member who is 5 foot 2 inches found it comfortable to use, though taller individuals might need to bend slightly to move it around. Number 3. Freestanding Garden Hose Holder. The Artigarden Freestanding Garden Hose Hanger is an affordable, quick, and space-saving solution for storing a hose. Its simple, basic design features 3 prongs that can be staked into the ground, making it suitable for gardens, yards, or any area with dirt. This hanger keeps hoses organized and easily accessible, though it requires manual looping and hanging, unlike traditional hose reels. Setting up the hanger is straightforward as it easily sticks into the ground and the hose can be hung around the loop without the need for instructions. However, looping a fabric hose proved slightly more challenging compared to a rubber hose. Weighing just over 4 pounds when empty, the hanger is lightweight and portable, allowing it to be moved to different locations as needed. During testing, the hanger remained securely in the ground, though it could potentially tip over if the soil becomes loose after heavy rain or a spring thaw. Number 4. Giraffe Metal Hose Reel Box. The Giraffe Metal Hose Reel Box is a fantastic choice for those who want the functionality of a hose reel while keeping their hose neatly contained and out of sight. Its bronze-colored metal design is more stylish and durable compared to plastic alternatives, making it better suited to withstand various weather conditions over time. Although it lacks wheels for portability, the box is relatively lightweight and easy to lift and move, even with the hose inside. Initially, attaching the hose to the reel's connector can be confusing, but the manufacturer provides a helpful video that simplifies the process. Once set up, winding and unwinding the hose is effortless. The box features a threading guide that moves from left to right, ensuring the hose is evenly distributed around the reel. This feature is particularly useful, as some hoses can be challenging to coil. Additionally, the reel comes with a 5-foot leader hose for connecting to the spigot, adding to its convenience. Number 5. Liberty Garden Hose Reel. The Liberty Garden Industrial Hose Cart is an excellent choice for transporting hoses up to 300 feet in larger gardens or yards. Its large, 15.5-inch rubber wheels make it easy to push over various terrains, though the wheels are air-filled and may require occasional refilling, unlike no-flat options. The cart features 2 wheels and 2 legs that act as brakes, preventing it from rolling away when stationary. Additionally, it includes a spacious basket for storing items like water bottles, tools, or gardening gloves. Reeling and unreeling the hose is straightforward, and the powder-coated steel reel feels sturdy during use. However, the hose attachment point is awkwardly placed, which may affect compatibility with certain hoses. While some parts of the cart come pre-assembled, the instructions for assembling the remaining pieces can be confusing. Despite this, the cart includes a 5-foot-liter hose for connecting to the spigot. Overall, the Liberty Garden Industrial Hose Cart is a reliable and practical option for larger yards, offering durability and convenience for transporting both hoses and gardening supplies. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel. For more information or to check out product prices, take a look at the description below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment.